Hello, friends! Welcome to Alex Daily English, Easy Way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy, learn English every day with Alex. Let's start! Water park! Water park! I want to go right now!
Alex, please wait.
Alex, remember, patience is good manners.
Are we there yet?
Not yet, but
Wow, look at that giant slide!
stay together, Alex!
Alex! Alex, wait for us! I don't want to wait!
Alex, we have to wait in line.
That's not fair. You can go first. Really? Yes.
That was very kind, Lily. Alex, please pick that up.
Someone else can pick it up.
We clean up after ourselves. No running, no pushing.
Rules keep everyone safe.
Listen to the lifeguard.
Alex! Don't run! Please walk beside the pool.
Sorry.
That was funny.
Alex, you splashed them!
I'm sorry.
Woo-hoo!
Why is everyone so slow?
Because everyone deserves a turn.
Look at the giant bucket! Here it comes!
That's mine!
Alex, you must ask first.
Can I please use it? Okay.
Give me the juice!
How do we ask politely?
Can I please have the juice? Thank you, Mom.
Being angry is okay. Shouting is not okay.
Try saying it again.
Lily, can I please use the tube after you?
Here, I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait your turn. Okay.
Go!
Woo!
Please move away from the exit.
Oh, sorry.
Good job, Alex. Oh no! My sunglasses!
I'll help you look.
Me too.
Where is my sunglasses?
We found everywhere.
We found everywhere.
Are these yours? Yes! Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think I was being rude today.
You made some mistakes.
I learned to wait and respect people. Lily, I'm sorry for shouting at you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Everyone ready?
Yes!
Remember the rules.
Good manners.
Good manners are important everywhere. Say please, say thank you, say sorry.
And respect other people.
Did everyone have fun?
Yes! The best day ever!
We are proud of you, Alex.
You learned from your mistakes.
Remember your manners.
I will. Dad, a rope!
Go upstairs now!
Hello, friend! Wow, it's raining again. I love peaceful mornings like this.
Look, Alex! The rain is so pretty.
Yes, everything looks fresh today.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready.
These pancakes smell so good.
Thank you, Mom.
Heavy rain may cause dangerous flooding today. This storm looks serious.
Heavy rain may cause dangerous flooding today.
This storm looks serious.
We need to prepare to evacuate.
The rain is getting scary.
Stay close to us.
I am scared.
Stay calm, Lily. Everyone stay together.
Dad, the water is everywhere!
We need to get ready.
Mom!
Stay calm. Everyone stay together.
Our whole street is underwater.
We'll get through this together.
Go upstairs now!
Come on, Lily!
Don't stop moving!
I've got the emergency bag.
Will the rain ever stop?
It will. We'll stay together.
Did you hear that?
Stay here. I'll check. There's no one outside.
Then who knocked?
Be careful, Alex.
I think something's up there. Don't worry, I'll help you.
He's safe now.
Good job, Alex.
We can't stay here much longer.
We need another way out.
The water keep raising.
Do something, honey!
This might save us.
Let's get it ready. There's a hole.
We'll fix it. One last check.
Everything is packed.
We're ready.
Stay together. We're leaving now.
We'll come back one day. Watch out! There's debris ahead.
Hold on tight.
We're going to tip over.
Hold on!
Please, Dad, save us.
Don't worry. We handle it.
The bridge!
We have to turn!
Dad! A rope!
That's our chance.
Alex! I've got it!
Pull together!
We're almost safe!
I'm thirsty.
Take the last sip.
Why is he barking? I think he hears something.
Listen, I hear it too.
We're finally safe. Thank you for saving us.
You're safe now. Home may be damaged, but we're together.
Together.
That's what matters most.
We'll rebuild. Together! Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?